Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today we're introducing our baby chicks to our new puppy, Rain. Rain's been outside with the full-grown chickens a couple of times. She gets very excited with them. And now we're going to introduce her to the baby chicks and get her to calm down. Maybe. Get inside here.
Let me get her.
Okay. You want to hold her, Phil? Just make sure she doesn't jump in the box. Now, I have to get these chicks under a light. I have to get them in the brooder. You can see they're cold. They're all bundled up. Oh, got that. I'm sorry. They're not lunch. They're not lunch. Here you go. See? 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 Okay. Now, the first day I got Rain home, our cats, who rule the roost over here, so to speak, went after her, and actually, she did her thing, and the cats have no use for her at this point. Okay, she's very inquisitive. She's looking okay. Got her head. See it? Good at me. Okay. What do we got there, Rain? What do we got there? Be nice. Come on. Be nice. Be nice. Look at all the little chickies. Look at all the little chickies. Hey. Okay. Well, this was her first look at the chicks. She's not jumping up and down. It looks like she's doing pretty good. I got to get these little guys under a lamp, keep them warm. And we'll be back as we progress. Until next time, stay safe. I